Welcome to our full tutorial on how to refer a friend on Betmgm. Let's dive into the exciting benefits of this program. Before referring your friend, let's cover the eligibility requirements to ensure both of you can benefit. Now, I'll show you how to easily access your unique referral link straight from your Betmgm account. Here's a step-by-step guide to make sure your referral process is smooth and easy. Remember, both you and your friend can enjoy fantastic rewards. Let's break down the benefits. You might have some questions. Here are the most common queries about the refer a friend process. To enhance your chances of a successful referral, here are some helpful tips. It's essential to understand the terms and conditions. Let's outline what you need to know. If you encounter any issues, reach out for support. Here's how you can get help. Now that you know all about the Betmgm Refer a Friend program, it's time to start referring your friends.